doing today? Today we're going to be installing LED running lights on my 2010 Camaro SS. I just got the regular yellow bulbs in it right now. Soon I'm going to be installing the harness so I can actually have them running when the lights are on as actual fog lights. Right now they're just running lights, so I'll show you what you need to do to install. It's pretty simple. There's a couple ways you can do it, and I'm gonna just show you how to do it and make it the easiest for you. So here we go. All right, first thing you're gonna need to do is take these 1, 2, there's one right there, 3 bolts out, and they're gonna be a T20 Torx bit, as I got right here, and I'm just using a 3/8 ratchet. So we'll go ahead and get them out, and then I'll show you from there. All right, now we got all the bolts out. Now you're just gonna wanna reach in here, pop this back like this. And if you look up in here, there's your fog light, and you just gotta reach up in there, and on the bottom of that plug you push up, and then it pulls right out. And then let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, got that plug loose. As you can see, right there's a little push tab. That should be on the bottom of it. When you pop it loose, should be right on the bottom. Push it and then pull it back. And then the bulb, just reach, and pull. All right, that's our old bulb. Now here's our new bulbs we're going to be using. LEDs. It's got the same plug connector where it plug right in. So we're going to get to installing that, and we'll show you what we got. Got the new bulb installed. Got it twisted in there and snap the plug back on. Now I'm going to start the car up, pull it out in the sun, and show you, with one of them being the LED and one of them being the regular halogen, and then we'll go ahead and get to installing the other one and show you them both. Here we go. And also make sure you reinstall your screws so your fender line don't get hung on your tire going down the road. Alright, here's your original yellow halogen. Here's the LED. Definitely a big difference. Alright, now we'll go ahead and install the other one, let you see that. Alright, that's the finished product. Got both of them in there. Looks really good. Looks a lot cleaner. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.